In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate emails with Monday.com. We'll walk through a simple way to turn incoming emails into items on your Monday.com board, so nothing slips through the cracks and your communication stays organized in one place. First, open the board where you want your emails to appear. At the top of that board, you'll see an option called Integrate. Go ahead and click that. This opens the Integration Center where you can connect different tools to Monday.com. In the search bar, type Gmail or Outlook, depending on which email provider you use. You'll see a list of suggested automation recipes. Look for the one that says, when an email is received from someone, create an item. This recipe tells Monday.com to automatically create a new item on your board whenever an email comes in that matches the criteria you set. Click on that recipe to start setting it up. Next, you'll need to connect your email account. Click the Connect button. A new window will pop up asking you to sign in to your email. Log in with your usual email credentials and grant Monday.com the permissions it requests. This allows Monday.com to read the incoming emails needed to trigger your automation. If you manage multiple email accounts, make sure you choose the one that actually receives the messages you want to track. Once your email account is connected, you'll see the word Someone highlighted in the recipe. Click on Someone. Here, you can type a specific email address you want to monitor, such as a client or a support inbox. If you want every incoming email to create an item, you can leave it as anyone, but most teams prefer to narrow it down so their boards don't get cluttered. After that, click on the word Item in the recipe. This is where you map your email fields to the columns on your board. For example, you might map the email subject to the item name column so every new item is clearly labeled with the subject line. You can map the body of the email to the update section so the full email content is available right inside the item. Take a moment to think about what information your team needs at a glance and map those fields accordingly. When everything looks good, click Add to Board to activate the integration. From now on, whenever an email that matches your criteria arrives, Monday.com will automatically create a new item based on your settings. This simple setup can save you time, reduce manual data entry, and keep your email communication perfectly in sync with your workflows on Monday.com.